What's going on, guys? Today I'm doing a different video. It's gonna be an unboxing of a Jordan 1, a limited, super limited Jordan 1. There's actually only a total of 17 pairs of this Jordan, but I can't do this alone. So I'm gonna have a buddy here. And he's gonna help me unbox these shoes. You ready, bro? What were you doing?
I just pulled this out of my pantry at home, bro. I thought it was in my kitchen.
Well, now I want one, man.
What was so important that you interrupted my snacking?
Bro, we're gonna unbox one of the rarest Jordans ever created in history. So, really quick, this is my friend Ivan. We've been friends since high school. Down below, you can actually find his handles. We actually run a page on Instagram where we sell some shoes for y'all. He's the one that handles that mostly. It's called iSneaks. Hit us up there if you need some shoes. We got them. We got them.
We got the heat, so make sure to check that out.
So, let's bring the shoes, man. All right, so you got the shoes?
Well, the only thing that I had were the animal crackers, so no, I don't have them. I thought you had them.
You didn't got the shoes?
That was your job. That's what you were doing.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, this only works.
You did with me. Just
okay,
you already did it once.
Okay, yeah, but I can only do it twice. So hold on. I think I used it this morning.
Bruh. Remember.
Okay, well, hold on.
Backtrack.
Oh my God! Thank God.
You didn't do it earlier.
Thank God.
You had one left, so now you can't for the day. Now you're done.
Okay.
Now you're done because you.
So I'm not gonna be able to get those burritos, or but it's okay. It's okay. So here it is. Here's the box. Not very special. It's like any other box that we have. However, I did notice that with these, don't actually have a UPC code. It only has the size, and that's it. This is all it has. These weren't even in store. These were auctioned off on eBay to raise money for Doernbecher.
So the organization behind Doernbecher is the Oregon Health and Science University. They are the ones that take care of ill children.
So all of these shoes were auctioned off on eBay, and they were able to raise over $500,000 for the hospital. So that's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing, and we're very proud to be part of that. So
since 2005, they've raised almost $30 million, if not more than that, doing these special collaborations. So what they do is each year, the physicians and the staff at the hospital nominate kids, or I guess patients, nominate patients to work on a specific style. It can be shoes or clothing, and they get pushed out through the Nike website, and from there, any proceeds that were created are donated back to the foundation. Since then, we've seen companies like Shoe Palace, DLTR, and Nike. So those were the ones that gave generous gifts back to the organization and the foundation. And so I'm sure that those $30 million have been extremely helpful to the kids at OHSU.
So this was actually the first time they auctioned on eBay, because the last drop they had was back in 2019, but because of COVID, they weren't able to design a shoe anymore. So what they did was they got all of the past shoes that they dropped and grabbed every single design and put it onto this shoe. They patched one part here, there. You'll see it. You'll see it.
We'll go into details about what each section is inspired by, because they're inspired by previous Doernbecher designs. They weren't able to get together this year with designers, as some of these kids have compromised immune systems, and so it was extremely risky to kind of be around other people due to the virus.
Well, I'm sure you guys are very curious to see what's in the box. Let's do it.
Further ado, let's open it, man. I'm excited to see
let's
too.
Go, let's do it.
Let's see what's so important that you have to pull me out of my kitchen, man. Okay. Come on.
Good thing you weren't in the bathroom. So let's see. So this is like any other lid, and here they have a virtual freestyle all for one. So here it says, thank you for joining us to celebrate the Doernbecher Freestyle program and 17 years of courage, inspiration, and teamwork. OHSU Doernbecher Children's Hospital turns the world's latest research into innovative treatment plans for kids. This life-saving care is powered by you. We are grateful for your support and hope you enjoy the Doernbecher Freestyle gear. And then they have this right here, authentication from eBay. And let's get it.
What shoe are we gonna see first? This is the left shoe.
That's right. This is actually the left shoe right here.
Have to do the left and right.
So here we go. Wow. Wow, look at this, bro. Look at this. Would you look at that? Dude, look at the bottom. Woo! So every part of this shoe is from a different shoe. That's sick. So for example, these palm trees right here is from a 2008 drop on a Jordan 1 back in 08, and they put them in the back of the Jordan.
So what we figured out was that each of these shoes actually has 7 different previous Doernbecher styles. Start with the 2008 heel, then we go up to a 2011 ankle for the Jordan 3 Doernbecher 2011. Then from there we go to the 2019. The inside, is it on the other side too? So this part right here is from the Jordan Doernbecher 14 of 2009, which was the previous release actually, before they stopped it and did this. Then on the back, so this little triangle on the heel is actually from a Jordan 7 in 2016.
So the bottom is from 2017 on the Jordan 7. That's lit.
We almost forgot to mention that the toe box is actually from an Air Jordan 10, 2012. I think the kid that created that shoe or that colorway was Oswaldo. Each of these have their names, but we're just going by the number of the Jordan.
The quality of the shoe is phenomenal. Like, it's just looking at the stitching, looking at everything, it's very, very well put together. The coloring, the paint, it's perfect. The stitching on the Nike itself as well, it's also very nicely put together. You see that? You can't really see, but I'll do a close-up. The inside, they have like a cork board.
Yeah, the insole is like a cork
yeah,
board. Really
yeah,
nice.
it's so awesome. Well, and lastly, the toe box. This comes from the Air Jordan 5 back in 2012. And as you can see, it's like, it has like a reflection on it, like a rainbowy one, kind of. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it has that like reflection-y.
Hologram, right?
Right. And then there's words on it. It says things like,
I see Dawn. So you can almost treat this as like a word search.
sweet. All right, well, let's go into the next shoe, yeah?
Let's do it, yeah.
All right, and look at this one. This kind of gives me like a,
This is my favorite.
an 07 vibe. This is dope. So,
It's a little brighter.
okay, so let's first start off with this really cool design right here. So this is like, you can feel it. It's not just paint. You can feel it like it's
engraved.
Yeah, and it is up here as well. This is from the Air Jordan 2 back in 2007, and they have it here as well, right here and right here. Very nice. It's like the green is not bright. It's a dark green with.
Look at this stitching, dude. The stitching is phenomenal. We haven't talked about the quality on this one yet.
And there's yellow stitching to complement that green, as you can see that. You know?
It almost looks like ocean waves. If you like get creative with it, you can see waves.
Yeah,
Now let's go to the back side of the shoe. This part, I was telling him, was my favorite. I really like the colors and how it pops, you know, and it almost looks like it's in space, right? It says Brave on the inside heel, and then it just has the regular Jordan logo on the other side. This is from the Air Jordan 7 Doernbecher in 2014. So that collab, I think, was
beautiful.
I would like it. I like just this part, so I think that would be awesome.
Jumpman right here. So now let's go to this right here. This is from the Air Jordan 10 back in 2013. It's like a camo, but like a shiny camo. Like, it has kind of a reflective.
It's like, is it holographic when you like tilt it a different?
Yeah,
angle,
it's
you can see, right? That's
like,
what it is,
like,
holographic.
That's crazy. That's so sick. I've never seen camo like that. Look at that.
It also has texture to it as well. It's not just like, you know, it's not just flat leather or just patent leather. It is textured. So the next part of the shoe that we want to talk about is the toe. So the toe for this is actually from the Air Jordan 13 Doernbecher 2015. This is also, this isn't really holographic. It's more so like, you know those cars that you see on the street where like if the sun hits them a certain direction,
it just changes colors?
It changes color. That's kind of how it looks like here because I'm getting hit by the light.
Face it towards the light real quick and just move it.
Maybe you guys can tell.
Look at that. That's dope. As you see here, this is suede, and there's arrows pointing up, down, left, right. This comes from the Air Jordan 4 back in 2011. Just look at that.
Makes it feel like a Grand Theft Auto cheat code. Up, down, right, left.
All right, so that's that. So you know what?
Let's talk about the toe box. Even though we were already here, let's talk about how the actual boxing of the toe. It has fish scales, and it is from the Air Jordan 15 back in 2018.
Look at that. The quality is very fine.
It's got
so soft.
It's like a suede fish scale.
It's softer than this one. It's super soft. It's kind of like a blanket soft. That's dope. So if you
like silk.
If you ever wear these, which I mean, I don't think you want to wear these, but imagine someone just steps on you, bro. Oh, on these fish scales. Oh my god. Oh man. Gave me goosebumps. Now lastly, it's just this back part right here. This comes from what?
The Air Jordan 6 back in 2009.
It was actually designed by a kid named Jordan as well. Why did they put a 1 in the back?
I believe they put a 1 on the back because he finished, and by him I mean Jordan, finished first of his class.
He finished first in his class, so he chose the number 1, and that is why it is on the Jordan 6, which is now on the Jordan 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're funny. The Nike swoosh and the bottom,
The sole.
we couldn't find any past
Designs.
Yeah, so we think this is originally for the shoe. And as well with this is in here, this gold
Soft liner.
that also we didn't see anywhere. And there you have it. Jordan 1 Doernbecher 2021.
What the freestyle.
The What the Freestyle, only 17 pairs and only 16th auction on eBay. And we were very blessed and lucky to have been able to cop a pair as well. And for that, you know, we also did a good thing to
Yeah, it was a...
donate money to the kids in the hospital. We're very glad to be part of that. And this is a wonderful shoe, very nice, high quality, stitching done right. Personally, I don't know if we could ever wear these. I mean, this is history right here. And there's only one size per shoe. So there's only a size 9, only a size 10, only a size 10 and a half. There's only one. So if anybody were to ever put on these pair of shoes, this size is automatically, there's no more dead stock. There's no more of this size that are brand new. So the rarity is literally crazy. So let's put these side by side. And here you have it. The Jordan 1 Doernbecher's 2021 edition.
Leave a comment down below. Flip them, do a little 360 so they can
check
see.
it out.
Which side is your favorite? Is it the left shoe or the right shoe? And to clarify, the left shoe is on that side because I have issues with that. So that's the left side, this is the right. Personally, what's your favorite?
Personally, it's so hard to choose because they're both unique. This one's classy. This one's more jumping-y. You know,
This one's the definition of freestyle.
This is like freestyle. This is like classy, you know? So like, I'm a classy guy.
Huh?
And I think I like this one a little more. I'm not saying it's better. I'm saying like for my taste.
Your style, right? Your style.
I kind of like this a little more just 'cause I like that shiny look on the scales. It reminds me of Dragon Tails. Come on, hit that throwback Dragon Tails.
Honestly, this blocking right here is probably
It's so cool. Like,
amazing part of
it
the
kind of
shoe.
reminds me of church stuff. Yeah.
that goes back to being a chameleon. I go with this one.
Why
this
is that?
one, it's just the sole purpose of the ankle right here.
Oh,
the blue and orange. I think that color combo goes crazy and with the little braid.
Yeah, and you know what?
Phenomenal.
Which one do you like better from the bottom? The left shoe or the right shoe?
That's a tricky part.
This is unique and bright in color.
That's the tricky part.
This one is just outstanding. Like, look at that. It has icy bottom, and inside the icy bottom is this basketball design with fire on it.
Flame.
That's dope. And there you have it, guys. Drop down a like. Shout out iSneaks. That's where we run the page. If you guys want to cop some of the Jordans that we carry, that's where we're gonna just sell them to you guys.
It's not just Jordans. We also offer Yeezys, NMDs, and other styles of shoes that, you know, are made from diehard sneakerhead to the casual just wants to wear something comfortable.
Gotta rock
So-
them shoes.
We like to say that we provide footwear for all because, you know, everyone can be a sneakerhead.
That's right. And as you guys know, I love sneakers. I love my J's, especially Jordan 1s, which is why I had to have these. And the dream come true. Well, all right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Like, comment which is your favorite shoe, the left or the right side. And thanks for being here, man. I appreciate you driving out here. Even though I snapped
pulling
you
me
here.
out of my kitchen.
Wait, so how are you gonna go back? I got you. Ready? Go.
You said you already used it twice. One was for me, one was for the shoes.
Dang.
I guess I'm walking.
Yeah, bro. And you live like across town.
I'll take these.
I'll give you a ride, bro. I'll give you a ride. No worries.
All right,
All right.
we're out.
All right, guys. Later.